Hello, today we will guide you through how to copy instance component in Framer. In this walkthrough, we'll carefully copy an instance of a component so you can reuse it elsewhere in your project while preserving its styling and overrides. This is a simple process, and I'll add context and tips along the way to help you avoid common mistakes. Start by opening your Framer project for the Nestel website template, version 2, the copy. Once the file loads, you'll see the canvas in the center, your properties on the right, and the project panels on the left. Make sure you're in the design view so the canvas and layer structure are visible. If your screen looks different, try maximizing the window or closing any pop-ups so you have a clear view of the interface. Next, open the Layers panel. This lives in the left sidebar and shows a hierarchical list of every frame, component, and instance in your project. If the panel is collapsed, expand it so you can comfortably browse the structure. Working from the Layers panel is the most reliable way to target the exact element you want, especially when items overlap on the canvas. Now locate the instance you want to copy. You can scroll through the list, expand groups or frames with disclosure arrows, and use naming conventions to guide you. If your project is well organized, look for labels that indicate the component's role, like card instance or button primary. Hovering over a layer name will highlight it on the canvas, which helps confirm you've selected the correct element. Be sure you're selecting the instance itself, not the master component, or an entire section that contains other elements, unless that broader selection is intentional. Once you've found it, select the instance and right-click. Right-clicking opens the contextual menu, which ensures you're acting on the exact element you highlighted. If the right-click menu doesn't appear, try clicking once to select the layer in the list, and then right-click again in the same spot. From the menu, choose Copy. This copies the instance to your clipboard along with its current properties and overrides, such as text, colors, and layout adjustments. The original stays in place, untouched, and your copy is ready to be reused wherever you need it within the project. Copying is non-destructive, so you can repeat this as often as you like to keep your design consistent and efficient. That's it. You opened the project, surfaced the Layers panel, found the correct instance, right-clicked it, and copied it, preserving all the useful details for seamless reuse.